guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking all about my travel makeup bag. So these are all the products, and yes, I still have like the sticker on this. I probably need to take that off. These are all the products that I'm going to be taking with me on my trip. When this video goes up, I'll actually be in Mexico, and I'm so freaking excited. I always overpack. I try to not overpack. It always happens. I've just decided to come to terms with the fact that I'm gonna overpack. So anyways, I'm gonna go through all of the makeup products that I'm taking. This case is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I used to take the Zuka bags, but I just feel like this one works the best. It holds so much freaking makeup, and I actually take this typically with me on the plane. So I have like a little backpack that I'll put this in because I don't want my makeup getting roughed and rumbled around, and I pack my foundation underneath the plane. So really quick, foundation wise, I always take Estee Lauder Double Wear and the NARS Long Wear Radiant Foundation. Those are like my go-tos. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. I literally packed this already today, and then I'm like, okay, I need to go ahead and share it. Here is what it looks like, and yes, there is lots of makeup. Like I said, I always overpack. So in the top compartment, there is a little zip case, and I have two different sponges. So the first one actually came from Sephora. This is like the new Sephora collection sponge, and I just thought it'd be really good to get up in the corners of my eyes. And then I think this one is from Tarte Cosmetics. So I just packed two smaller sponges to take with me, and of course they get a lot bigger once you wet them. Okay, next thing I have in the little zipper case are my hair bows. So these are the Invisibobble, I believe is what they're called. Hair scrunchies. I love these because honestly, I wash my hair at night. So what I do is I wash my hair, dry it, I'll put it in one of these, and then I wake up the next morning and like sometimes I don't even brush my hair. I just go to work and there's no tangles. It's seriously so straight and I don't have to worry about it. So this is like the creaseless hair scrunchie. Okay, I also have a bunch of different eyebrow pencils because I don't know, some of the ColourPop ones, like these are all taupe, but they're the same color, and I'm always deathly afraid that I'm going to run out of eyebrow pencils. I don't keep up with which ones I open, so some of these might be about to run out, so I just packed some extras. And then I packed the Thrive Cosmetics Brow Gel. I recently got my eyebrows microbladed. I have them filled in today because they're in the peeling phase, so they're just not looking real cute up close and personal. And then the last two things in the zip part is the Too Faced Peach Lip Balm. I love this. Like literally all I do, and you can see like my lip prints as I go like this. Smells so good. And then I have two different Huda Beauty concealers. So the first one I have is the color Marshmallow. This is what I've actually been used to prime my eyelids. And then the other one I have is Sugar Biscuit by Huda as well. This is what I use underneath my eyes. Love this concealer. And you guys will get to see what I really like because that's what goes with me on trips. Okay, so first thing we have is the Huda Beauty Banana Bread, and this is the baking powder. I love this for underneath the eyes, and I'm so glad that I got a backup at the Sephora sale because literally like that's how much I have left. It's so good. I just don't know how to describe it, but basically it just almost looks like you're putting on a full coverage powder underneath your eyes when you put it on. I've been using the Fenty one, and I just don't like it as good as the Huda one. I'm obsessed with that one. Speaking of Fenty, I am packing the Fenty Kilowatt Highlight. This has just been a favorite highlight of mine. I don't even know if I've really talked about it that much on my channel, but this color right here is just so gorgeous. Oh, you can wear it with any and every look, and it just looks beautiful no matter what. I'm also packing the Jouer Cosmetics Dark Powder. This is the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. I thought this would be really good to set my face with while I'm there. And then I packed the Benefit Cheek Leader Mini Pink Squad Palette. So this has 3 different blushes, and you can use this one as a highlight. It is also gorgeous. So gorgeous, as you can see. But this is a little mini that I picked up, and it has the California, which is a really pretty coral shade. These are just very tropical shades, so I packed that to go with me. Now that I'm going through this, I'm like, okay, maybe I should take a couple things out. I packed 2 different eyeliners. So we have the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. This is their like nude shade, and I like wearing this in my waterline. And I also packed the Tartiste liner. Now, I'll be honest with you. I think I did one of these videos like a year or 2 ago, and I went on vacation. I literally had so much makeup with me, and I ended up not doing my makeup at all. But I have this fear that I'm going to be on vacation and I'm going to need something and I forget it. So I literally try to pack like any and everything and backups, like what if something breaks, or I just like overpack, obviously. So that's that. I'm packing 2 NARS palettes. So the first one is the Exposed palette by NARS. This one will be great for highlights, blushes, and bronzers. And you'll see kind of a theme. I always like packing palettes that have like more options in it. I love this palette. It's so beautiful, and the bronzer shades are really pretty as well. Really smooth formula. And then I also packed because I feel like I'll probably just do maybe like a really light foundation, or maybe even powder foundation, and maybe like a cream highlight or blush. So this is the NARS Orgasm palette. It's just so beautiful, and I feel like I honestly could put on like a tinted moisturizer and some of these like highlight shades and just look glowy and dewy and just loving it. So 2 NARS palettes. I love NARS palettes. Okay, so for eyeshadow palettes, I packed 2 ColourPop palettes. This is the Sweet Talk palette, and this is so beautiful for summertime. The shades in here are so pretty. This is almost becoming my favorite ColourPop palette, but I did pack my other favorite too. So my other favorite all time is the She palette by ColourPop. And you can see I've been getting a lot of use out of it. I don't know what it is about this palette, but I'll go in with like the pinky and orange shade. I'll put these 2 shades in my corner, and then any of these shades on the lid, and it's just perfection. I love it. That's like my go-to eye look is with this palette, and I cannot get enough of it. I also packed, in case I wanted the powder foundations, the 2 new Makeup Forever ones. They're in 2 different shades because I'm not really sure how tan I'll be whenever I get down there and get a suntan. So I packed those to just go with me in case I don't really want to do a lot of makeup. Again, I probably really won't do a lot of makeup, but you never know. So just in case. And then I packed the MAC Cosmetics Art Library. This is just a really basic go-to everyday shades type of palette, and I just felt like I needed it. Okay, I cannot put them all down. And then I also packed the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Is this palette even available? I don't even know, because I honestly put it in my Sephora recommendations, and when I went to link it, it was gone, so I took it off. But I love this palette. The contour shades are so good, and they're like super bronzy, so I love using it, and you have so many different colors. And then lastly, don't judge me, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Nude palette. Ugh. Again, very pretty purpley shades up my alley, and I just had to do it. So that is going to complete the what's in my travel bag video. Like I said, I wanted this to be kind of short and sweet, but show you guys what I am taking along with me. What are your go-to products? Like, what do you have to have in your travel bag? Let me know down below, and as always, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!